Online home jobs. Make money at home. All the ways to make money online are frequently changing and shifting as new opportunities are created. Let's study 3 interesting ways to make money online that you may not have originally thought of. You do not need to spend $1 and you'll start to make a little money. These 3 gigs are smaller gigs that may generate a small but consistent stream of money, which may really add up over time. 1. Answer questions online. This is a great side gig for anyone who loves reading and interacting online. There are several ways you'll make income. You could become an expert on sites like justanswer.com or quora.com. Customers present a question and an expert replies with a solution. Most answers can be a couple of paragraphs. If you are good at writing, you may find this very interesting. 2. Micro gigs. If you have skills, you can provide services online at task marketplace websites like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com where workers complete projects starting as little as $5 per job. You could also search on TaskRabbit.com where there are almost 200,000 tasks listed to create an income online. Once you finish a task, your pay goes into your Amazon account. Your skills can be used for nearly anything. You may be competing against those in developing nations like India, so you've got to be willing to fight against steep competition. There's still money to be made so long as you carefully assess the jobs before taking it. Build a reputation through positive reviews and use professional images, and that will give you the advantage over others just trying to make a quick buck. 3. Product pitching. Pitching products that others make could be a great paying side job. A technique to try is to use affiliate programs. There is one for every massive website like bestbuy.com or amazon.com where you'll earn commissions that are as high as 20%. When someone buys a product that you simply pitch to your audience, you may receive a commission. Many people make a lot of money by scaling this to multiple products and multiple commission programs to have multiple revenue streams. Clickbank is another site where you can make decent money. Their commission is as high as 70% and there are over 40,000 products you can choose to promote. There's no cost to sign up. However, Clickbank products are of a lower quality than those offered on Amazon.com, so just bear in mind this before you make your decision. Their prices can often be less expensive too, so that may make it easier to pitch and sell than others. If you're concerned, you could always buy the items yourself and determine if you are sure you want to promote it. Do you agree, or do you disagree? Tell us what you thought about this video. What other ideas can you add to this list that I may have not mentioned? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend. You can read more information like this at www.onlinehomejobs.com and subscribe to our newsletter. Also, like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to receive more tips like this. Thanks and have a great day.